Handspa is a beauty care service where curative minerals are present for beautification. Handspa is a beauty care service using natural oils, vitamins, and minerals having curative effect to the body. Good day, students! Welcome to Beauty Care Nail Care Services. This is Ms. Lovelyn, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to perform the basic handspa treatment. But before anything else, let me tell you what you are expected to do by the end of this virtual class. First, identify the tools, supplies, and materials needed in handspa treatment. Second, follow the basic steps needed to perform a basic handspa activity. Last, gain appreciation of importance of handspa treatment. Now, let's take a look of the important terms in this activity. Can you point out which one is a patron? If you thought of the second picture, then you are correct. A patron is a customer, especially a regular one, of a salon, a store, restaurant, and etc. Next word is exfoliate. It means wash or rub a part of a body with a granular substance to remove dead cells from the surface of the skin. Does this video show exfoliation? Well, obviously, it doesn't, because this is exfoliation. Next word is silken. It is a term which means soft or smooth. So, what commonly used supply can make the skin silken? Definitely a lotion. Now that you have learned the important terms for this activity, let us now move on to the tools, supplies, and materials needed to perform the handspa treatment. What we need are the following: 2 cups of hot water and a basin, 1 cup of fresh milk, moisturizing hand lotion, a pair of mittens, plastic cling wrap, moisturizing hand scrub. This is a mixture of wash sugar and mineral oil, a clean towel, and a hand cushion. You will also need an apron, hairnet, and face mask as a personal protective equipment or PPE. Now let's continue with the basic handspa steps or instructions. Preliminaries. Assuming that the following have been performed. Request the patron to remove all his or her accessories. Analyze the patron's skin and health condition, and ask for contraindications if there's any. Combine 2 cups of hot water and 1 cup of milk in a basin. Apply hand scrub and rub it in a circular motion. Once hands are exfoliated, rinse it off in the milk mixture. Apply moisturizing lotion evenly into the hands. Wrap hands with a cling wrap for about 5 minutes to let the skin silken with a lotion. Finally, remove the cling wrap and rub the excess lotion into the skin. And for an extra relaxation treatment, a hand massage is given. So these are the recently treated hands, soft, smooth, restored, and rejuvenated since the hand scrub helped in exfoliating the dead skin cells buildup. The milk mixture soothed and relaxed the hands, and the lotion hydrated or moisturized the skin. Additional tips for hand scrub options. In the video, I use sugar mixed with mineral oil. So you can also mix sugar with calamansi juice, lemon, or olive oil. You can also use pine sand as a hand scrub as well. And coffee grains is also a good ingredient, and you can find other organic ingredients from your resources. For the rinse, instead of using hot water combined with fresh milk, we can also combine hot water with lemon juice, calamansi juice, or coconut milk. So there you go. You have just watched the step-by-step instructions of a basic hand spa treatment. In case you miss a thing, just replay the video because the challenge for you now is to perform exactly the same service to a patron. Therefore, look for a client, perform a hand spa treatment, and record a video blog or take photos of your performance in case a vlog is not possible for you. Finally, compile the photos in a folder with descriptions in each step. You will be rated using a specific performance rubric which will be linked in your Google assignment. Just visit our Google Classroom for the thread and written instructions. Good luck! And that would be all for our virtual class today. I hope you all have learned a lot from this video. This has been Lovelyn, your teacher, and leaving you with an encouraging line that the best way to learn and improve your skills is by doing.